Here are some quick tips to help you clean and care for your Electrolux front-load washer. To prevent odors, remove clothing from the washer promptly. Use a cloth to wipe the inner door and remove any moisture or water in the folds of the rubber door gasket. When safely possible, to help prevent humidity accumulation, leave the door open for a little bit of time when not in use. When washing heavily soiled items, shake or brush off excess dirt or sand before putting in the washer. To further clean and refresh the inside of the washer, perform the clean washer cycle. For best results, keep an eye out for your clean washer reminder. Every 50 cycles, your washer will remind you to perform the clean washer cycle by illuminating the clean washer cycle indicator. For instructions on how to run the clean washer cycle, check your use and care guide. Use the following tips to clean your detergent dispenser drawer. To clean compartment or adaptive dispensers, 1. Pull the drawer out until it stops. Then reach back into the right rear corner of the drawer cavity and press down firmly on the lock tab. Pull out the drawer. 2. Remove the various inserts and rinse with warm water. 3. To clean the drawer opening, use a damp cloth to clean the area and remove any residue from the upper and lower parts. 4. Replace the inserts into the dispenser and then return the dispenser drawer. Tip: periodically inspect all your water inlet hoses for leaks, wear and tear. Seeking more information? Check out your use and care guide, visit us online, or call us.